Hello everyone, we are going to check the blood glucose level by using the Contour Next device. This is the lancet pin where we can insert the needle to prick the finger and to get the blood droplet. Alright, it's quite easy. Just we have to insert the needle inside the pin. We will remove the cap from the needle after the insertion to the pin. Okay, as shown in the video, now we will remove the cap. Just watch the video carefully. We are recapping the cap on the lancet pin. Okay, here we will select the different numbers. Just give us the size. Mostly it's 3 or 4. Then we will insert the strips to the device. So this is the area, the specific which we can insert to the device. Alright, now we'll prepare ourselves to take a blood sample and to get into the device. Okay, before getting the pricking of the finger, we will have to clean it by alcohol swab. Then we will prick it by needle. Just to push, we will get the droplet of the blood. Now we will apply the blood to the glucometer. As the glucometer is ready, just we have to wait until and unless appear the blood droplet image in the screen of the glucometer. Okay, it's ready now. We will insert the blood on the proper way. We will wait for the 4 to 5 seconds to get the result. This is the result, 143. Now we can adjust either it's before meal or after meal. So then the device will give us different color, either it's good or bad. This is just selection for the timing. If someone want to get check again after 2 hours, after 3 hours or more, so they can just get for the alarm. They will receive alarm from the device for more checking. But mostly the result is ready as shown on the screen. This is 143. It's little bit high. That's why it's appear yellowish in the color, because this is fasting blood glucose level. Now we will remove the strips. We have to discard in a proper way. Then we will discard the needle as well from the lancet pin. We will rotate the cap and then we'll push it forward to be discarded. We have to keep properly back the cap on the needle to not get hurt for someone else. Thank you very much for watching the video. I wish you the good health, stay safe and healthy.